Welcome to the LTS channel. Today we're unboxing one of our latest products from our LTS Pro-X series, the 12 megapixel 5K dome camera. Let's see what's in the box. We have some disclosure documentation, waterproofing cable covers, bag of screws, our Torx key, sticker template, and finally our camera. The LX IP7C122WI-28MDA features X search, hybrid illumination, MD 2.0, and E-tracking. It also has VCA, face detection, people counting, and heat map. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment on what you want to see next.